Okay, we're in a pageant. Okay, our second appearance is the talent. Our next category is the talent performance. Every contestant will have to showcase an outstanding presentation of a talent, not a chore or a daily activity presentation. The contestant will be judged on her ability to command and capture the attention of the audience and must be within 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring on the stage contestant number 1 for her talent, Miss Tokelau.
Kupu aloha, koeto kumahau, noho tawa pilimai, e hui atuau, Mohiu mai, koe aloha mai, e kine te aloha mokoe, beside me, lie down and hold me tight, whisper softly, say that you need me. I will always be here for you. Nei kokupu aloha, e moni lava, e aloha tu au, e ngatamai, kupu aloha, so soft and tender. I love you, my darling, and I will always win.
Miss Tokelau, ladies and gentlemen.
Contestant number 2, Miss Fiji, for her talent. Our Pacifica has many treasures. her land, her sea, her children, her languages. Miss Fiji's talent acknowledged the power of our culture and her cultural identity as a treasure. The values we hold dear lend themselves to sustainable living, respect for our marine resources, and a reverence for each other. Miss Fiji.
No maroroya nanonda vanua. Listen to her voice, her son, song and spirit, hand in hand together to chase a better future. Nanonda itovo me kuningole lavi lea ai se fefe, lea ai se fefe, ilo ulu manai, lea ai se fefe, lea ai se fefe, ilo ulu manai.
Miss Fiji, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage for her talent, contestant number 3, Miss Cook Islands. Our Pacific cultures are woven with a rich past of ancient myths and legends, stories retold and kept alive by orators and passed down from generation to generation. In many of our cultures, there are similarities in some of our myths and legends, but there are also very unique differences, and even among the different islands that make up our island countries, such as in the Cook Islands. Miss Cook Islands' talent depicts the very unique legend of creation of her homeland, her home island of Mangaya.
Iyo, i muatangan, Kua no o wari ua to te pō. Kua a tui tui ia e te mana o te inua.
In a cosmos containing the roots of existence, the essence of all life. In a cosmos we call our Vaiki is where she lived. Vari, Mate Takere, an ancient goddess of my people, the great source of human life, of the entire fabric of the universe, air, earth, and sea were hers. Her children were spiritual gods, not of true human form. Vathya, the eldest, was the most important. His name means light of day. His wife was Papa Ite Itinga, whose name means earth in the rising or the foundation. From the union of Vathya and Papa, the union of light and earth, the gods were born, the first beings of perfect human form. Their first children were twins, Tangaroa and Rongo. Tangaroa was god of the sea. The wealth and treasures of the ocean were his. Oh, what beautiful music! Rongo was god of the land, of agriculture and harvest. The fruits and treasures of the earth were his. The scent of our lands carried on the wind, so intoxicating. From the gods came the next generation, the generation of men. They were the first people of my homeland, Taku Uitsupuna, my ancestors, who lifted the island of Mangaya out from the dark depths of Avaiki and into the light of day. That is my legend of creation. Vari Mate Takere. From her came the wonderful treasures of our world and the gifts of life. Her legacy kept alive in myths and legends. Oh, the joys of life, conveyed in performance, in the rhythms of dance and the pulsating beats of our Pacific drums.
Miss Cook Islands, ladies and gentlemen, Meitaki Maata.
Contestant number 4, Miss Hawaiian Islands for her talent. Joy is like a bird resting upon Lauhala as she shares with you a story. She weaves the lei ka'ahumanu ever so quickly. Watch as she takes flight to hula for you.
Holo mai pele mai kahikina, a kaukawa a I mo o kini. Noho I ka ua o kumulai, ho ku pele ma I ke ki'i. Noho I ke ki'i a pele ma, a ka pua o ko'i. Eli eli kau mai e, pele e. E tahi. Make make au kale o ka humanu. E lua. E kolu. Awe no ho'i wa pao kale.
Thank you, Miss Hawaiian Islands.
As a proud Tongan, marveling and basking in her history and living culture, Ebony wishes to perform a short medley of Tongan dances that will depict the evolution of dance. The Otuhaka, so ancient that the lyrics no longer are understood. The Fahaiula, a unique dance that was performed for the king by the most beautiful maidens of the land. A contemporary Taolunga, the modern upbeat composition of today's popular music among young Pacific Islanders. Concluding with the Kailao, a war dance usually performed by men only, Ebony will be showing off the versatility of Tongan dancing as women celebrate the victories of their warriors. Miss Tonga will also be demonstrating her ability to play the fangu-fangu, or nose flute. Historically, fangu-fangu were used to awaken Tongan royalty from their sleep. She will also play the nafa, or drumming, which is also traditionally done by skilled masculine men. Ladies and gentlemen, with her talent, Miss Tonga.
The new day dawns where time begins, with the soft melody of the fung fung gently awakening the Tongan monarch. I am a proud Tongan. I share with you the evolution of our dances, beginning with the ancient Otuhaka, the Faha'aiula performed by the most beautiful maidens of my country, and lastly, my interpretation of Tongan modern dance. Come with me as I share with you my culture, my heritage, my home.
Miss Tonga, ladies and gentlemen. Malo Opito, Miss Tonga.
Once again, contestant number 6, Miss Papua New Guinea, for her talent. The Hiri trade plays a significant role in uniting two provinces of Gulf and Central from which Ruby hails. And the dance she is about to perform depicts the historical trade that was vital to the survival of her ancestors. Miss Papua New Guinea.
The Hiri dance is part of the heritage of the Muslim people of Papua New Guinea, a proud seafaring people, my people. It illustrates the voyage of these great mariners as they sail to the Gulf province to trade food in seasons of drought. The village women would somberly farewell the menfolk on their journey, and then joyfully rejoice upon first sight of the trading canoes returning. The sea is our mother and our keeper, our love, our life, our hopes and fears. On rocky cliff, through Lahara, through Mirigini, through Larabada, and the rain, sun, and wind. We wait for the mighty Manukai Bada in joyful hope of its return. We are the people of the sea. The sea, it runs in our veins, the blood of my people. Iana Eroha, Edioro, 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 Manukai Bada.
Thank you, Miss Papua New Guinea.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next talent will be performed by contestant number 7, Miss Aotearoa. Please give her a nice welcome.
From Hawaii to New Zealand, this is the journey of my people. When my ancestors first arrived, they were warriors. I call on my ancestors to stand with me and take me through their time. Karanga tura ki o tātou whanau ngō te moana nui o ki wae. Karangara, karanga tura e. Whakarui ka mai ki te kaupapa kua whāriki hiwa ku supuna e. Hoki atura, moi maira, whakatau maira e. This is a tribute to my ancestors.
Miss Aotearoa, ladies and gentlemen. Kia ora.
Our next contestant for her talent, as the stage help sets up, is Miss Solomon Islands, contestant number 8. Miss Solomon Islands will be demonstrating to us her talent of art. Using a combination of origami and charcoal sketch. Tonight, she wants to emphasize the fact that only natural materials will be used to create a one-piece work of creative art. This art talent requires patience and time, just like that of a mother's for her child. The drawing, which Miss Solomon Islands will be illustrating, is a self-portrait of her. She chooses to do so to show one of many ways how she has been representing her country and all its women throughout this pageant. Origami is the art of folding material, or most commonly paper, into decorative shapes and figures. The rose, which Miss Solomon Islands will use tonight, is made from of pandanus leaf. The rose is an international symbol of love and beauty, one of many things that the people of the Happy Isles of Solomon Islands are made up of. The original rose and portrait come together beautifully to show how the diverse cultures of Solomon Islands work in perfect harmony. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Solomon Islands.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our 9th contestant with her talent, Miss American Samoa. Miss American Samoa will be singing the song called The Prayer. She believes that we are all somehow connected in our belief in God, and prayer will always be that instrument. Miss American Samoa.
We are people of the Pacific, members of a powerful tribe. Every color, age, and size, we are united by beauty inside. Prayer is the most powerful force that can bridge the gap between one another, but most importantly, us and God. I am a United States soldier of the Army, fighting for peace. I am a soldier of God, praying for world peace. Yes, I was born for destiny, a daughter of the King, not by blood or honor, but by my heart I sing. I pray you'll be alright, and watch us where we go, and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be when we lose our way.
and gentlemen, Miss American Samoa.
Our last contestant for her talent is contestant number 10, Miss Samoa. The Pacific's most uniting treasure is its people praying, no matter what language or form it is in. For where one's treasure is, there also will one's heart be, and prayer requires more of the heart, for prayer is not asking, it's a longing of the soul. Tonight, Miss Samoa shares with us her soul's longing, her heart for her people, her prayer for the Pacific. Miss Samoa.
I pray you'll be our eyes and watch us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our when we lose our way, lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe. This safe place to which we have been led, these, our Pacific Islands, each being blessed in abundance with magnificently diverse and majestically unique features, the treasures of our islands. These treasures lie in the beauty of our lands, the wonders of our oceans, the intricacy of our crafts, the uniqueness of our cultures. All these are cherished, upheld, protected and guarded by its most defining treasure. You and me, the people of the Pacific. Tonight, let this be our prayer. May the Lord continue to guide us and give us faith so that we will be saved. Sogniamo un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia e di speranza, como l'auroria, l'amore suave vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. We ask that life be kind and watch us from above. Let this be our prayer. Just like every child needs to find a place, guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be
After all that, Sherry, I can say one thing. The women of the Pacific are very talented. Don't you agree? Beautiful talents.
Now, ladies